Ozzie Jurock joins us now for a look at real estate. Hello, Ozzie.
Hi there.
And what's interesting this time is we're looking at the Edmonton market, which has fluctuated so wildly in the past year.
Yeah, it's been crazy. First of all, in 2005, it leaped up 50%, and then 30% in 2006, and then last year started out with a bang too. But guess what? In all of the different areas, from single family to condos, they peaked somewhere between April and October, and then went down seriously into December.
Let's take a look at some stats for detached houses and for condos in the overall market. So in December of 2006, the average price for a detached house was, for example, $341,000.
Yeah, and it went to 426, a very nice increase.
In 6 months, less than 6 months.
Well, yeah, 5 months. And then from May to December, though, it went down to 382.
Yeah,
so
that number should read May of 2006. That's the wrong...
Yeah, no, it's May 2006. It went from December 2006 to May. It leaped up, and then from May 2007 to December 2007, it came down. So when you look at just year over year, it looks like it's up 12%, but it was up much higher in May and then actually went straight down.
Wow.
And the same is the case when you look at condominiums. We went from 227 to 271 in July, and then from July down into December, it went down to 253. And for duplex, it was even more dramatic because it held its prices longer. We went from 294 to 354, and then we went down to 329. Oh, this is all, the duplex are not there, but they're all residential total, all duplex condos and so on. Again, went from 294 to 354, and then went down to 329.
So the question is why, Ozzie?
Well, I think a lot of speculation, perhaps even from Vancouver and BC, went into Edmonton because the fundamentals in Edmonton are strong, low vacancy rate, good employment, good capital investment. But out of some 12,000 listings, we hear there's about as many as 1,800 vacant. And I see the same developing in Regina and Saskatchewan. So much speculation, this time from Albertans that made a lot of money in Edmonton and Calgary, going in there and driving up prices unreasonably higher, fast.
So what do you think the long term, what's going to happen in cities like Edmonton and cities in Saskatchewan as well?
I think Edmonton will be just fine because the fundamentals economically are there. It's still the lowest priced single-family house city. It's just right now there's too much product and fewer sales. Sales are down about 40%. Product is up about 500%.
Okay.
It's slowing down a little bit in Vancouver too, but our listings and our sales are in balance, so it hasn't affected prices.
Okay, so you don't think something like that could happen in Vancouver?
Not until we see a huge shift in listings, which we don't. The listings are actually lower than they were last year. Sales are higher than they were last year. We just hear that some of the statistics show that the pre-sale market has really slowed down.
What about any other cities in BC?
Well, Kelowna was just counted as being less affordable than Vancouver.
Yeah.
But yes, we have, like we're looking at the mining capitals, look at Smithers, or look at Prince Rupert we talked about 2 years ago when we said to people, you might want to buy there. We sold condominiums there for $65,000, are now selling at $110, and at $110 they're still good value,
Wow.
But when you have an economic reason, like there's a new superport came in, or in Williams Lake, the Gibraltar mine opened 2 years ago, and vacancy rate all of a sudden drop, then even the very low-priced real estate goes up.
All right, Ozzie, thank you for that.
Thank you.
And if you want any more information for Ozzie, or you'd like to purchase a copy of his newsletter, www.jurock.com or 604-683-1111.